Good day, and a warm welcome to Kodav Logistics. I'm Kodav Pretorius, Chief Executive Officer at Kodav. Kodav owns and operates refrigerated units, side tippers, flat ticks, and taut liners across Southern Africa and within South Africa. It's our 10th anniversary this year, and we'd like to show you what Kodav is all about.
Kodav focuses primarily on versatility and personal service to their customers. We offer specialized logistics services to a niche section of the transport and logistics market share of Southern Africa. State-of-the-art real-time tracking and our 24-hour roadside assistance will ensure that your load is delivered safely and on time, every time. With offices located in South Africa and all neighboring countries, Kodav Supply Chain Management offers a full-circle solution to client-specific requirements. The Kodav brand was successfully established as a trustworthy and passionate brand over all areas of operation after highly reputable service delivery over a period of 10 years. Our company's reputation is based on the competence of our highly experienced professional and dynamic individuals, all with a driving commitment to client satisfaction.
For the past 10 years, Kodav has strived to achieve the highest level of quality in everything we do. We look forward to providing our clients with premium class service for the next 10 years.
Kodav, celebrating 10 years of premium service.